Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your friendly neighborhood brown girl at your service. It's new shin, like I got a new shin, get it? So I actually just filmed this look comparing the Tarte and the Fenty concealer, just because I wanted to see all what the hype was. But so today I'm actually going to be comparing lipsticks this time. So Maybelline recently came out with universally flattering lipsticks, which here in Canada they retail for about like $8, $9, depending on the store. One store I saw it was $15, and I'm like, this is not Sephora, so I'm gonna just step out. Yeah, go to the dollar store. They made 7 shades in which they claim that they are universally flattering and 100% satisfactory guaranteed. So we gonna see, because this is inspired by Nima Tang, who is a beautiful YouTuber, and she is dark skinned and she does like a darkest shade series and whatnot, and she's just really inspired me. Personally, just because it's like, girl, I want to make a brand and I want to make products for you. I want to make products for everybody. And I just love her. But anyways, so she filmed this and she said she even wanted to see this on a different skin tone and see how they worked out. So, yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Not sure if the glasses are a look for me, but I'm gonna just go with it because, they have Maybelline Spice for me, Mauve for me, Pink for me, Fuchsia for me, Red for me, which is actually the only matte out of the collection, Ruby for me, and Plum for me. We gon' see. We gon' see how that's gonna work. Cause personally, pinks I don't do. The only like pink I do is like pinky nude. So like I'm hoping it's a pinky nude. I like Mauve, so I'm kind of excited for that. Spice, I really like, that's a pretty color. And that's about it. So the Fuchsia, the last 4, I'm not that excited for. This I'm not, and these 2 I'm like really excited for. So let's start with Spice for me. It smells like a generic lipstick, like the classic smell of a lipstick, which I haven't smelled in a while because it's like all I've smelled are like peaches or like fully like scented things, which like I'm not about just because they're so heavily scented. So I'm kind of happy that I'm finally smelling like a regular lipstick, you know? So here's the color here, which looks super pretty. So we gonna see how this works out. So Spice for me, very fitting because I'm very spicy. Very promising. This is very smooth, I like it. Now, I was gonna buy the matching lip pencils, but I was like, I'm not that rich. But, I like it. It's quite nice, and I'm wearing black because like I didn't know whether anything would match, so I was just like, oh, I look so weird without lashes. It kind of feels like a brick red to me, but I actually quite like the color. It looks super pretty. My lips are all bare again, and so are my eyes because I'm not wearing any eyeshadow or lashes, and I feel so naked. Alright, here is Fuchsia. Nope, this is Mauve for me. I lied to you. Alright, so here is Mauve for me. Why are there scratches? Oh, it's all ruined. Aww. That is super pretty. Now, I quite like this color. That is really pretty. This is super pretty. I really like that. Alright, Mauve for me. We're done, but I'm not gonna be done with you because I actually like you. Alright, now we have Pink for me. I'm not sure how to feel about pink because I don't do pink. Because like I really don't do pink. And like it's just I don't do pink. So I don't think I'm gonna like pink just because I don't do pink. I don't do pink. Anywho, we're gonna try this out just because it's part of the collection. Oh, this actually looks, that looks pretty. Okay, this might work. You guys let me know your thoughts on this. But when I said I don't do pink, I just want to remove this. I can't. Oh, I forgot to take a picture. Yeah, I can't. Okay, so let me know in the comments if you think this looks good on me or if you think it suits me. But I'm gonna just say for myself, I don't like it. I just did not think that looked the most flattering. But the first two were great. Here is Fuchsia for me, which and I already committed. Okay. I personally wouldn't wear these unless if I'm doing like a coordinating look. I have worn a fuchsia pinky type looks only when I'm doing like a coordinating eye and like outfit kind of look. But other than that, I don't really wear it, so this isn't a color I'd wear the most often. I don't mind it. I definitely didn't like that pink. Like, I would not wear that pink. I feel like with the pink, you also kind of have to go in with the lip liner because it's like those light colors things, they just not. Because when I saw Nima Tang's video, it looked super nice on her. Whether or not she used a lip liner, I mean, actually when she used a lip liner, but I just ran out of lip liners. Okay, now we have red for me, which is the only matte shade. Alright, so here is red for me matte. I mean, you can't really mess up reds, that's all I'm gonna say. You can't, and if you do, then it's time to pack up your brand. Because, like, reds are just, like, it's classic. It goes with, like, everybody. That's, to me, red is, like, a pretty universal color that works with everybody. Like, can't go wrong. Actually, like the matte formula than the others, like with the regular formula. I don't know, it just feels more comfortable on my lips. I like it. You look good. Super good. Okay, so I don't get the difference between ruby for me and red for me. Like, obviously from the packaging I do. Okay, so now I have ruby for me. Why is there a hair on here? Am I trying to sue y'all? No. This looks literally like red for me. Is it just me? I don't know if it's just me, guys, but do these, like, does this and red for me look exactly the same? Hold up, let me do like a little split thing here, like. But except the fact that it's matte, you know, like. Right here is red for me, and here is ruby for, oh. What if I put gloss over the matte one? Will it look the same now? Okay, red is a bit more brighter, and the fuchsia is, you know, more pinker. So that's red, ruby. Okay, I get it. Y'all can stop roasting me in the comments now. Okay, now the last one, which is plum for me. That looks really nice. This is actually quite pretty. I didn't think I'd like this because these colors like make me think of like maybe like older people might use it. This is actually quite pretty. Definitely should have used a lip liner. We don't need to talk about that. Which, I mean, I'm not sure when I'd wear this. Maybe once again with another like color coordinating makeup look or whatever. But I wouldn't. It is a pretty color, but I don't think I'd wear this all the time. Like, I mean, like, okay, now I'm not thinking it looks cute. It does look nice though, but like, not, like, I don't know. Tell me what you think is your favorite so far, and what you think is my favorite. So I'm gonna put on my favorite. Alright, so, I don't know if y'all, this is the floppiest piece of tissue I've seen, but anywho, so far my favorite is Mauve for me. Even though I look a little weird because, like, you know, I've been wiping off lipstick for the past 30 minutes, so it's just, if it looks like a mess, I'm not gonna do anything about it. but I'm sorry. So as you guys already know, Mauve for me is my favorite out of all, which I am definitely going to be wearing again. Then is Spice for me, which is actually quite pretty, and it's like a little brick red kind of thing, which I'm actually liking. So I may wear this again. Red for me, you can't really mess that up. And I actually quite like the formula of this. So this is the matte, red matte for me thing. So I'm going to be wearing this on a classic day, you know, because it's just a classic look. Then it is Plum for me, which is actually quite pretty, but I don't know if I'd be wearing this a lot. Maybe in the fall, we gonna see. Then is Ruby for me. I mean, it's just, it's aight. I mean, not. Then is Fuchsia for me, which I'd probably wear with like, you know, a corresponding look because I'm actually quite liking the Fuchsia look lately. And then last is Pink for me, and like I said, I don't do pinks. Let me know if you guys thought these were pretty universally flattering on me. I think they were overall pretty good, but I definitely wouldn't be wearing these just because it just doesn't fit my vibe, you know, and plus y'all know I don't do pink. So I would love to see this also on another skin tone as well. If y'all liked it, like it down below. If y'all want to talk to me, comment down below. If y'all want to share this, go ahead and share. And if you want to see more of me, then subscribe. And I'm going to see y'all with another